Okay, so to use just a regular ruler to square up our 3.5 inch, the first thing you want to do is find your 45-degree diagonal line. Okay, so this is a 4-inch ruler, which is handy because we're not having to cut a bunch off. So I'm going to line my diagonal with the 45-degree, and then if we count over 3.5 inches, 1, 2, 3.5 is going to be right here. I'm going to go to about the 1/4 inch. Doesn't have to be perfect, but I'm going to go there. Got my diagonal lined up. And the reason I'm not going all the way to 3.5 is because I want leeway. I'm going to cut on every single side, and I want some leeway when I get to this side to be able to make sure it's straight. Okay, so I'm just going to trim this side off. Now I'm going to turn it. I always turn it the same way so I don't get messed up. I'm turning it clockwise one time. I'm going to use my other 45-degree. Line that up. I have cut this off, so I want to make sure I'm going to be straight along. It doesn't have to be on the 3.5 inch, but I just want to make sure it's straight on what I've already cut. I'm going to move it over a little bit so I have some more leeway. All right, so I found this little 1/4 inch, or maybe that's 1/8 of an inch line. I'm going to line that up. I'm good. As you can see, though, this is a little bit more tedious than the stripology because you have to every single time.
You only have 1,000 more.
Clockwise, turn it once. Going to use this 45-degree. Now remember, I've already cut this side, so now this side has to be exactly 3.5 inches. So I'm going to line up, after I get my diagonal in place, I'm going to line this side up that I already cut exactly at the 3.5 inch line, which is really hard to see on this stupid ruler. I mean, it's impossible to see because the line is right in the middle. So let me see if I can do it this way. I mean, the 1/2 inch line is right where the numbers are, so that's why it's so darn hard to see. I got it though. Okay, I got it right on the 3.5 inch line. I've got my diagonal in place. I'm gonna hold it down really hard because it's slippery, because this ruler sucks. So.
I don't like them either. I have some.
Yeah, I have some of those.
Yeah, you just gotta hold it down really
Because
tight.
they just slip
So many
much,
lines are
yeah.
just like.
And this blade sucks. Okay, one more time. Clockwise. Use this 45, going this way.
So do you cut 4 times?
4 times, 1 on each side. I've already got, okay, my 3.5 inch. So I'm going to cut another 3.5, or line it up on 3.5. Make sure I am squared along this side, and this side, because all 3 of those sides have already been cut. Make sure my diagonal's in place. That's critical because that's how you get those points coming down exactly where you need them. All right, I am all set. Put all of my weight on this so it doesn't move. And also, here's a tip. See how my pinky is here? That helps your ruler to not slip because you're holding it there too. Not just on top, but you're holding it from going that way, okay? All right, there we go. This stupid blade is icky. Okay, all right. So that's a little off there, but do it workable.
That's okay. Okay.
Because
that's
the
This
1/4
one's
inch
good.
seam will
Mine
hold
were
it
like
in.
that, and I didn't do
Okay.
it, but
So that's how you